Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a simple and easy delicious lemon fudge. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of Nestle condensed milk, 400 grams of Nestle Milky Bar chocolate, 2 tablespoons of finely grated lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. First, grease and line a 15 by 15 centimeters baking pan or dish with baking paper. Now place the condensed milk in a saucepan over low heat and very slowly bring it to a boil. There you go! Did you do it? Reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Remove from the heat and add the Milky Bar chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. Now stir in the finely grated lemon zest and fresh lemon juice. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan. Cover and chill until set. Once set, cut the fudge into squares. Lastly, enjoy your delicious cookie fudge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.